T-Mobile's home internet gateways, especially those with Wi-Fi 7, offer advanced features to prioritize devices. This ensures smooth performance for critical applications. Quality of service allows you to assign priority levels to different types of data or specific devices, accessible through the T-Mobile Connect app. Band steering automatically directs devices to the optimal Wi-Fi band based on their capabilities and network conditions. 5 GHz is recommended for high-speed devices like laptops and smart TVs due to less interference, offering faster speeds compared to 2.4 GHz. Keep in mind that older devices might only be compatible with the 2.4 GHz band, and the distance from the gateway can affect 5 GHz signal strength. To prioritize devices, open the T-Mobile Connect app and navigate to the QoS settings. Here, you can create rules to prioritize specific devices or types of traffic, such as gaming or video streaming. Allocate a percentage of bandwidth, like 20 to 50%, to high-priority devices to ensure they receive sufficient resources. For band steering, the T-Mobile Gateway automatically manages device connections to the best band. However, you can disable auto-steering in the app for custom setups. Connect compatible devices to the 5 GHz band for bandwidth-intensive tasks. Select non-overlapping channels, such as 36 or 40, to avoid interference. Consider using Wi-Fi extenders to improve coverage, especially for 5 GHz. Regularly update your gateway's firmware to ensure compatibility and security. AI-driven prioritization is becoming more common, automatically learning user habits to optimize network performance. By 2025, T-Mobile gateways use AI to automatically prioritize devices, reducing the need for manual configuration.